Introducing to you the Vega 10-in-1 Easy Multi-Grooming Set. This unique grooming set has stylish storage case with 10 attachments: T-blade, precision trimmer, design trimmer, shaver, nose trimmer, body trimmer with comb, along with 4 comb attachments. Style and groom yourself with Vega 10-in-1 Easy Multi-Grooming Set. T-blade for daily trimming. Attach the T-blade on main body. Hold it near your face. Start trimming your beard by going in upwards direction. Choose the desired comb setting. Precision trimmer for defining sideburns. Attach the precision trimmer head to the body. Place it facing your sideburn and start defining your sharp lines and shapes. Design trimmer for beard. Attach the head to the main body. Now use this attachment to create fine lines. Shaver for fresh clean look. Attach the shaver to the main body. Now use the shaver to shave your beard and mustache for a fresh clean look. Body trimmer for overall grooming and styling. Hold the body trimmer head and attach it to the main body. Choose the desired comb setting. Now trim the hair around your body with ease. Nose and ear trimmer for better hygiene. Fix the trimmer head to the body. Now insert the trimmer gently into the nostril to trim the hair. Now gently move the trimmer around the ear to trim unwanted hair.